welcome back family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. So let's get into it. This title is What Fragrances Would I Wear? And so I have 5 different events for spring, summer that I would wear during this time, okay? So general, like running errands, just an everyday fragrance that I would wear. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about brunch, okay? We love a good brunch, a little mimosa. We'll talk about brunch, a wedding option, a cookout, and an all-white party. So let's get into it. First off, I am in love and obsessed with this fragrance, this first fragrance that I will say just general overall spring, summer, what I'm going to be wearing, what I'm going to be rocking is this fragrance. Like every day, all day, any day, picnic, like errands. Like this is such a beautiful fragrance and I can't put it down. I can't stop talking about it. So sorry if you're hearing this again. It is what it is, okay? Mind Games, Lionora. I've just talked about this. I'm addicted. Absolutely addicted. But the fact that she still smelt it on me, unmatched. This is what you need. Hear me now. Her season. Like I love her. 10 out of 10 recommend. If you don't go and get your nose on this, like I again gotta put my elbow in this. Like get your this passion fruit that's in this. Oh, the floral, it is so pretty. I hope you all got your nose on this. This is such a beautiful spring summer fragrance. In general, this is what I will be rocking outside, inside, any day, all day. I just had to bring this one to the table because I am absolutely obsessed. If I had a list of obsession, this would be a part of it because it's that good. Compliments, absolutely. Lasting, absolutely. Projecting, absolutely. Everything, like it checks the box for what I want in spring and summer. I'm in love. I'm absolutely in love. Like if I had a ring, I would just marry it. I would marry it. Over the top, I know. But it is so pretty and good and it's everything I want to be. It has a little bit of a feminine flair in this too. So it's very pretty, but it's not like pretty girl in pink, but it's so beautiful. It's, I love this. So if you are looking for a fruity, floral scent for the spring and summer, this one would be at the top of my list. I would highly recommend you get this. I will be wearing this all day, every day. Non-stop. No. Addicting, okay? Moving on. Next up, I have a combination that I would wear to brunch. And I did not think that I was gonna really be reaching for this all the time, but it's been, she's been reached. And I'm talking about Melon Kiss. Oh my goodness. From Navitus in partnership with Gabby Loves Perfumes. This is so refreshing. And to me, yes, brunch with the girls. Because, I mean, are we doing brunch with the guys?
Okay, look. If you're a couple and you're at brunch and today is Sunday, then that means you did something.
I guess if you with your man, you would do brunch with your man. I could see that. Okay.
You want to go to brunch on Sunday? And inside you're like, no! But you can't say that. You got to keep them happy, right?
I mean, I almost turned my nose up at that, but that makes sense. If you got your husband and you hanging out with your husband, that makes sense, you know? But I normally brunch with the girls, with my girls. And so when I brunch, I don't want to smell like food during brunch. I can. I love a good gourmand, food gourmand, okay, on my body. But when I'm brunching, I love a good light, you know, still fruity, floral, but very light fragrance that just captivates people, right? So this would be my brunch fragrant choice, but I would combine it, okay? A combination for your butt. I would pair this with Coconut Sun from the 7 Virtues, okay? When you add this amazing coconut solar type of fragrance, hands down, you will be the best smelling person in the room upon arrival, and it will smell so pleasant and very refreshing. And I can see you with your mimosa, whether it's pineapple juice and your champagne or orange juice, whatever you're doing, whatever your mimosa looks like, or maybe you're just doing a cocktail. I don't know. But I can see you at brunch sporting this zone, this combination. If you have this fragrance and you have this one, put it together and let me know your thoughts. This was amazing. This is good. But for this season, what would I wear to brunch? This is what I would wear to brunch with the girls. You might be able to wear this with your boo. I mean, but maybe you want to wear something else. But I just know with the girls. Okay. So no, I would wear this to brunch, and I would highly recommend this combination, this pairing. This is a good one. All right, moving on. Next up, what would I wear to a wedding?
Do you?
Yes.
Do you?
Yes.
Good, you're married. Kiss her.
Now, I don't want to show my tail, you know, with the bride. You know, the bride is definitely the focus of the day, of course, right, for the wedding. But I would want a fragrance that projects, but maybe it just doesn't. I don't know. It might leave a scent trail. It does leave a scent trail. Oh, maybe I will show off a little bit. I'm sorry, bride. But hopefully she know that I don't mean nothing by it. But I'm going to pull out fragrancedubois, Santal Complet. Yeah, I'm going to wear that to the wedding. But hopefully she know, like, I don't mean nothing by it. I just want to smell good. Because if I'm going to the wedding, that must mean, like, we know each other like that, you know, or I know somebody. Either I know because would you really show up to a wedding you don't know the bride nor the groom? Do people do that? I'm sure that there's somebody that does that. In the family, do we do that? Comment down below. Is that a thing?
It's wedding season, kid. I got us down for 17 of them already. We are going to have tons and tons of opportunities to meet gorgeous ladies that are so aroused by the thought of marriage that they'll throw their inhibitions to the wind.
And who's gonna be there to catch them? Bingo. I'm gonna go get my suit. Oh, now who are we this time?
Let me know. I don't know, because if I am coming to a wedding, I sure need to know the bride or the groom. Because how did you get invited? Did you just walk on in? But were you a +1? Maybe that's how that happens. When you don't know the bride or the groom, but you a +1 because your friend knows the bride or the groom. Okay. Okay. Anyway, I don't know why did I just right here. But Santal Complet, oh my goodness, yes. I would definitely wear this to the wedding. Central all day. This is luxury. This is money. So if you're looking for a coconut sandalwood, to me the sandalwood stands out in this, and it just it's a woody fragrance. I mean, you smell but it is a soft woody fragrance, okay? And that coconut, oh, I think iris is in this too. So you have this, you know, purple flower. It is so beautiful. I would highly recommend this. Yes, I would wear this to the wedding. Yeah, but I would mean nothing by it because I would be smelling good, and it is what it is. So I would probably know the bride or the groom, and they should just tell the people, like, that's her thing, right? They should understand. Right? Next up, let's talk about the cookout.
the hell are you doing?
I'm making a fire. If you're gonna make smoked ribs, you got to make a big fire.
You about to kill your damn self.
Now, this pick is gonna be an interesting pick. And you might look at me like, nope, I'm not wearing that to the cookout. Nope, that would not have been my pick for the cookout. This is my list. However, I would wear this to the cookout. And I am into this latonic scent. I love a milky scent. And there are some that you are turned off by me even saying I like a milky scent. Just stay with me. I'm okay. I love a good latonic milky scent. So this fragrance has passion flower, it has like a jasmine in it, lychee, okay, and it has a honey note. And I know you are like, what, sis? Honey at a cookout? I would wear this. I'm sorry, I would have to say I would not overspray this, but I would definitely be wearing this at the cookout, okay? And this is the Harmonist, okay? This is Moon Glory. I am wearing this at 4th of July cookout. Yep, I would. It would be different. It would definitely be a different type of fragrance to wear outside at the cookout, but I would want to bring like a very powdery, soft hint of fruit. It gives me playful, tropical, but it also gives me this like fresh, like a powder fresh, but it's like latonic. I like it. Okay, I like it. I would wear this to the cookout. Now, this is not a safe blind buy because it's not going to be everybody's jam. I already know it's not everybody's jam, but I would definitely, I have to say it, I would definitely wear this to the cookout. I would. This would be my pick for the cookout. I would love to know your picks for some of these titles. Like cookout, like what would you wear? I would love to know. Comment down below. What you wearing at the cookout? I am going to wear this. Even if nobody agrees with me, it's okay. It's quite all right. I'll make it. But I would wear this because I think just the powder would just give this like an elevated scent for a cookout. Like I would be like put together at like a laid back cookout. I don't know. Like, do we want elevation at the cookout? Do we want elevation at the cookout? Do we want to be that elevated person? Because when we wearing the family t-shirt. Anyway, I wear this. Highly would recommend Moon Glory from the Harmonist. It's so good. Again, this is not going to be everybody's pick for the cookout, but this is what I'm going to be with. Okay, moving on. Last but certainly not least, what am I going to be wearing at the white party? I mean, if I'm not going to be wearing Mind Games, Lionora. There's only one other probably, yeah, it might be 2, 3 or other options, but another option that I would pick for all white party that I've been loving. Do y'all know what I'm about to say? Probably do. I'm rocking Loewe Woman 1. That's it. That's what I'm be rocking at the all white party. You invite me to all white party, that's what I'm gonna have on. No need to ask me, this is what I'm gonna have on. No need to ask me because reference the video. I'm gonna have this on. And I seen an all white party the other day. And the birthday girl, she wore yellow. And everybody else wore white. Even the men folk. Very nice. Very like, everybody was coming in there. Benz and Lexus and like stepping. Now I will say some of them steps, you didn't know you was gonna be on the restaurant floor, huh? You might not want to wear them tie-up shoes being on a restaurant floor. Them tie-up shoes, you know, the ties up on your leg. Yeah, they cute. But restaurant floor, sometimes you're going to be sliding. So you might want to make sure you got a little bit of cushion underneath. You know, some gripper, shoe gripper. Because they was cute. But you would have thought we had ice skating rink or something, like it was ice skating going on at the restaurant. I'm not laughing, but it was like, girl, you was cute. You was just sliding. Get a gripper. But cute idea. Okay, all white party. Birthday girl wore yellow. Love that idea. But if you are going to an all white party, you already know Body Yaddies is coming out. So many different, options of white. Like, how do you want to dress? Do you want to do like a white button down with some jeans, some like jeans and a, tie up? Or are you doing like a very fitted dress? Or like there are so many different white options. But I feel like this would go with any option that you pick in white. This is so cute. All I see is white with this fragrance. But if you are looking for something to wear to your all white party coming up, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm back. It does it to me sometimes. But so good, amazing. You will be fresh, has that must, has that woman hear me roar. Yes. I don't think they want you to roar, but anyway, so good, very cute, very good for your all white outfit. Trust me, sis, you want to add this to your collection. I have talked about this zop. So go back on the other videos and you can get a good breakdown. But this one, fantabulous, amazing. It's good. Moving on. Well, that's all, family, for my what fragrance would I wear picks. What are some of the fragrances that you would wear for brunch? Comment down below. Would love to know. How about all white party? Would love to know. The cookout, what you wearing for the 4th of July? That's coming right around the corner. Are you wearing? I mean, even Memorial Day weekend, that's some cookouts too. They have food. I would love to know what you are rocking and rolling and wearing to your outside events. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.